Hello everyone, it's David at Grow and Eat This. This is my tiny little onion patch. It's been a real race here because we've had nothing but rain for days and days and days. So it's been like impossible to keep the weeds out. And I'm afraid these guys are going to rot in all the rain. So I'm going to get them out of here. They're not the biggest, but they are the Vidalia type, so they're going to be unbelievably delicious. Boy, the weeds have sure been popular here. Usually I do 2 big bunches. I only did 1 this year because we just didn't eat them fast enough and some of them were going bad. So I just got 1 this year. Considering the weather, I don't know, the weather hasn't been great for these guys, but it was good for the garlic. So I don't know how you figure that one out. There's a weird one. But this is still going to be a heck of a bunch of onions. I don't really know what all this is about. I don't usually get this. Oh, they're running pretty small. Last year they were just gigantics. This year they're running a little smaller. But you know, you take what you get and you love them all. Kind of looks like it. We'll take them to the back, rinse them off, and see how the whole deal looks. But you know, it's a 6 foot by a 2 foot bed. Looks like I got a bunch of nice looking onions out of it, so we'll check it out after I rinse them off. Alright, at this point I've cut the ends off, I've cut the roots off for the most part, and I've given it a good rinse down to get all the mud and dirt and bugs and whatever off of them. Now I'm going to let them sit out here and dry, and then I'll take them inside and let them continue to dry tonight because we got a chance of rain. But gotta tell you, not too shabby, not bad. We'll take them. These are a Vidalia type. Gotta love them. This is David at Grow and Eat This in Lawrenceville, Georgia. Beginning of June. Thank you for watching.